In this video, I am going to show you on how you can download ClickUp on PC. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're going to go to the top right and click on your profile. From here, you're going to click on Download ClickUp. You would then be redirected to another tab where you can download it for Windows. So you won't be needing to open it on your web browser every time, and instead, it can be opened directly on your PC. So click right here and then click on download. Once your download is done, simply set up your installer right here, wait for a few seconds, and you now have ClickUp desktop app on your PC. As easy as that. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.